Alright, I just got through cleaning here, driveway. See how it looks right now. We did was the side of the house and the walkway in the front right there. Looks better than it was. And then we did the stone. You remember the stone is very black before. And right now we are doing the fence inside and out. Right here, look at that. You can see the fence all white now. I don't know if you can see me over there inside, having a green algae on it. That's what we're doing. That's my walker out there watching it, and we're planning to finish it today, so we come back tomorrow for the pool lanai and the pool cage. Alright, you guys, take it easy. Thank you for watching my videos.